either he can go into once in a generation or streams won't forget.
I think yeah, he's a once in a generation.
कि बेचारे को स्टेन ने जितना साउथ अफ्रीका में तंग करा है, मतलब
ठीक है, उन्होंने 21st सेंचुरी में कितना भी ओपन किया, we don't care. He is a goat for sure.
much better than RBGT for sure.
तो कोई हमें गाली भी नहीं देगा, तो it's okay.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Off the Mark podcast. मैं हूँ एहसास और मेरे साथ है सार्थक, and today we'll do one thing that every Indian loves to do.
Judge people.
Yeah, we'll be ranking today in a tier list the greatest opener of the 21st century. And what's the criteria, Sarthak?
And हमारा बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्राइटेरिया है, players who have as an opener made more than 5,000 runs in 21st century across formats.
हाँ, और जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो, हमारे पास 4 टीयर्स है. फर्स्ट इज द गोट्स व्हिच इज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम ओपनर्स. सेकंड इज वंस इन जनरेशन ओपनर, जो आप अपने बच्चों को बताओगे पर शायद आपके बच्चे उनके बच्चों को ना बता पाए क्योंकि वो भूल जाएंगे.
एंड थर्ड इज स्ट्रीट्स वोंट फॉरगेट. ये हमारा बहुत ही स्पेशल टीयर है कि भाई जिन लोगों ने लाइक बहुत ही रिमार्केबल वन टाइम परफॉर्मेंसेस
और कुछ डिस्टिंक्टिवली उन्होंने कुछ ऐसी इनिंग्स खेली जो यू रिमेंबर इफ यू आर अ क्रिकेट अफिशिएनियाडो, बट
lockdown kids might not remember this.
And fourth is someone that lockdown kids will also remember because उनकी अभी तक ट्रॉल compilations ट्विटर पे रोज आती है.
That is fourth category is walking wicket.
Correct. तो आई थिंक बिना देरी के लेट्स स्टार्ट सार्थक. तो पहला कौन सा प्लेयर आप लेना चाहोगे? आई थिंक
पहला यार पाकिस्तानी अहमद शहजाद 5,007 रन.
आई थिंक ये तो बहुत क्लियर.
It's a walking wicket for him.
टैलेंट बहुत है यार. अब्दुल रज़ाक ने 2012 में बोला था कि विराट कोहली से ज्यादा टैलेंट है अहमद शहजाद में, बट आई थिंक लुक से ज्यादा कुछ भी अहमद शहजाद कोहली का मैच नहीं करता है. तो आई थिंक अहमद शहजाद वॉकिंग विकेट फॉर श्योर.
Then we have Justin Langer 5,101 runs.
Even though he might have lesser runs 21st century में, but I think a very good opener.
I think yeah, he's a once in a generation.
Yeah. पहले माइकल स्लेटर के साथ, फिर मार्क टेलर के साथ, फिर मैथ्यू हेडन के साथ.
True.
I think once in a generation for sure.
Then Shane Watson, more than 7,000 runs as an opener across formats.
Yeah, I would say Shane Watson was a good opener, but बहुत मतलब either he can go into once in a generation or streets won't forget. मतलब he's not.
मुझे लगता है कि he would come under streets won't forget because as an opener mainly T20 he was doing very.
दो मतलब बोलना चाहिए कि चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी 2009 के सेमीज और फाइनल्स दोनों में मैन ऑफ द मैच था शेन वॉटसन, बट apart from that test में he was like mostly an average player
and he used to mainly play as middle order in test match. But anyway, coming next is Jason Roy.
Yeah, this is the ultimate streets would forget. 5 years down the line when you think about the 2019 World Cup and how England revolutionized ODI cricket post 2015 under Roy Morgan.
So that was Jason Roy.
I think Jason Roy started that thing. So Jason Roy would be under streets won't forget.
Next we have on the category Mohammad Hafiz. Another very easy decision.
यार ये वॉकिंग विकेट है, बट ओवरऑल अगर तो कंट्रीब्यूशन देखेगा इसमें हम सिर्फ रन देख रहे हैं.
नॉट काउंटिंग विकेट्स एट ऑल. उसके लिए एक और एपिसोड बनाया जाए.
ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए इसको वॉकिंग विकेट क्योंकि बेचारे को स्टेन ने जितना साउथ अफ्रीका में तंग करा है, मतलब
आई थिंक कुछ लोगों को लग सकता है कि वी हैव मेड दिस कैटेगरी ओनली फॉर पाकिस्तानी बैट्समैन.
ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ,
अभी बांग्लादेशी भी नहीं.
एंड नेक्स्ट इज डीन एवियर.
आई थिंक अ वेरी गुड ओपनर. आई थिंक वनडे T20 ऑफ कोर्स खेला नहीं, बट टेस्ट में एटलीस्ट जब भी इंडिया के अगेंस्ट खेले ही ऑलवेज स्कोर्ड रन्स, बट ही वाज नॉट good outside South Africa for sure, walking wicket in India, but overall for the contribution to the South African test team which was in the transition for the past 5 years,
Straits won't forget just for that brief period. Like what he did.
He was the backbone of South African test batting for good 5 years before his retirement.
और अब उसके बाद we have a player from Zimbabwe as well, Maskazada.
यार good player for Zimbabwe, but
yeah. It's a walking wicket. So Pakistan and Zimbabwe players together again. Better love story than Twilight.
बाबर को अंडो ट्रॉफी जो उनकी BGT चल रही है, which is much better than our BGT for sure.
Next is KL Rahul, who also has 5,439 runs.
Yeah, I think abhi in the मतलब given current BGT is doing really well. So he's on the cusp of going from streets won't forget to once in a generation. But for now, I think also he has played mostly as an opener. Like when he started playing well, limited overs में these ODIs में he's a middle order bat. Opening में ODI में he was okay. T20 was really good in the first 2-3 years, but T20 World Cups 21-22 बहुत ज़्यादा pressure डाल देता था. maiden over निकाल देता था पहला over. Good opener, but अभी के लिए streets won't forget. Let's see अगले 3-4 साल में if he can resurrect his career and become a once in a generation.
Again, Marwan Atta, but we have to be conscious of the fact कि 21st सेंचुरी की बात हो रही है. 21st सेंचुरी में बट उनके मोर देन 5,000 रन है.
एंड एवरेज कितनी है?
एवरेज है 41.74 एंड ये तो टेस्ट प्लस ओडीआई एवरेज ही है एज एन ओपनर, बिकॉज़ ये तो खेलते नहीं थे. इनके जमाने में तो होते ही नहीं थे.
यार आई थिंक मार्वन एट्टा बट इज अगेन सिमिलर टू केएल राहुल. मतलब अगर तो उसका करियर देखेगा, उसने पहले 6 इनिंग्स में टेस्ट मैच में अब टेस्ट करियर के 1 रन बनाया था. 5 डक्स एंड 1 रन. उसके बाद मारवन अट्टापट्टू को टीम से निकाल लिया, देन ही केम बैक, देन ही प्लेड वेल इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, फिर इसको कैप्टन बनाया फॉर अ ब्रीफ पीरियड। तो श्रीलंका 2003 वर्ल्ड कप सेमीफाइनल्स तक पहुंची अंडर हिम।
I think again, Streets won't forget.
बट ही वुड बी आई थिंक टॉप टियर ऑफ स्ट्रीट वोंट फॉरगेट, वो ऐसे नीचे वाले टियर में नहीं।
हाँ तो I think उसको शेन वॉटसन के जस्ट बाजू में रख, या इवन
मैं तो कहता हूँ केएल राहुल को भी जेसन रॉय के ऊपर तो डाल ही सकते हैं, शेन वॉटसन के नीचे।
नहीं, बट आई डोंट थिंक वी शुड गेट इनटू रैंकिंग कैटेगरी वाइज, वरना बहुत क्लेश हो जाएगी। कमिंग टू नाउ ब्रेंडन मैकुलम,
I think for sure the way he revolutionized T20 cricket,
once in a generation player for me.
2015 World Cup iconic innings across the entire tournament, a template that Rohit followed in 23, was really successful in that, and also the one who actually, if you think about it, अगर वो ना होता तो I don't know IPL कितना successful हो पाता, उसने इतना बड़ा impetus।
फर्स्ट मैच में जाके 158 जो उन्होंने आरसीबी के इनिंग्स मारे, एंड तब आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर फेट ऑफ आरसीबी वाज सील्ड, एंड वो अभी तक कैच अप ही कर रहे हैं 158। सो ब्रेंडन मैकुलम फॉर श्योर वंस इन अ जनरेशन प्लेयर, आइकॉनिक। कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट प्लेयर, क्रेग ब्रेथवेट।
Once he reaches 100 tests, he will be the worst player to ever play 100 tests, and we have Bairstow who has played 100 tests. So
I think Craig Brathwaite very good, walk wicket for sure.
for sure, yeah, I think very defensive batsman. मतलब West Indies के लिए ठीक है, when they don't have a batsman who can play for long, he can do that, but very slow, can't change the innings, so ठीक है, walking wicket.
Adam Gilchrist, once in a generation for sure, या फिर गोट।
यार for the way he played ODI cricket, I think he should be one of the goats. I'll tell you why. टेस्ट क्रिकेट में ओपन नहीं करते तो वे नॉट।
हाँ, he used to come at number 6, number 7.
बट उसने 3 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल खेले हैं, तीनों में एटलीस्ट 50+ मारा है, जिसमें कोई 149 नॉट आउट श्रीलंका अगेंस्ट 2007।
And he has a strike rate of more than 100 यार, and that is after combining his test record.
And given he is a wicket keeper, मतलब उससे पहले wicket keepers are not considered as batsmen.
Definitely.
I think
For
goat.
me, Gilchrist will come
Goat.
under goat.
Good.
Yep. Tom Latham.
I think मतलब he's a good player. India against, especially on Indian wicket, he was really good. But I think overall he's more of a walking wicket.
Walking wicket, I think so.
हाँ, मतलब compared to other people who are there, he's I think not.
Plus, I think न्यूजीलैंड प्लेयर को हम क्रिटिसाइज कर देंगे तो कोई हमें गाली भी नहीं देगा, तो इट्स ओके। उपुल तरंगा।
I think Streets won't forget for sure. 2011 World Cup, Dilshan Tharanga partnership, 10 wicket wins against England, 10 wicket win against Zimbabwe, I think.
For me, it's a borderline walking wicket as well, and I'll tell you why. 21st century में almost 31 का एवरेज है आपका एज एन ओपनर अक्रॉस फॉर्मेट।
Yeah, because he was not good in test, but ODI में he was, I think, good for a while. But we remember his iconic, मतलब walking wicket वैसे होने चाहिए जिसका iconic innings बहुत कम हो.
True. तो ठीक है, चलो इसको रख सकते हैं हम। Streets won't forget.
For the partnership with Dilshan.
Then we have goat Sachin Tendulkar.
अब आप लोग पहले ही बोल दिया।
हाँ,
हम कौन ही होते हैं बोलने वाले।
सच्ची में मतलब लाइक ठीक है, उन्होंने 21st सेंचुरी में कितना भी ओपन किया, we don't care. He is a goat for sure.
2003 World Cup, man of the tournament. 2007 World Cup, I don't remember. 2011 World Cup, highest scorer for India.
Highest scorer for India. We know. So, see, we are not capable enough to rank Sachin Tendulkar. He is a goat for sure.
मैं तो इसको इसमें हम कह रहे हैं रैंकिंग नहीं करनी, बट
हम
सबसे
करेंगे।
ऊपर
करुणारत्ने for Sri Lanka again.
I think very reliable test opener, one of the top 3 test openers for the last 5 years with Khwaja and Rohit. But overall does not do a lot versus good opposition. मतलब अभी श्रीलंका play a lot of Pakistan, Bangladesh वगैरह, in which he scores good runs. ODI T20 bang average player. But I think more of a streets won't forget player rather than.
या फिर a walking wicket.
नहीं यार, ये a great.
नहीं, I think he'll go for streets won't forget just for his test career.
He's a great test career, one of the better openers in the last few years.
Now next is अपने बहुत ही reliable गौतम गंभीर।
यार मतलब for us Indians personally, अगर मैं ऐसे इंडियन सोच रहा हूँ तो मैं उसे once in a generation डालूंगा।
लेकिन I think he's more of a streets won't forget especially because of for his
World Cup knock.
World Cup
Well,
knock.
outside of that, his career has been honestly very limited and average. मतलब
Apart from like 2010 when he was
2009 to 11, 3 साल का
3
period,
साल का जो था
नंबर 1
period.
टेस्ट बैट्समैन, उसी के बीच में उसने जो उसकी 11-12 सेंचुरी टेस्ट में वो बनाई, ना उससे पहले कभी बनाई ना उससे बाद।
पहले I think he was very inconsistent. So for me, honestly, streets won't forget.
Yeah.
And then we have Aaron Finch.
Amazing T20 player, gun one day player, very bad test player.
So I think streets won't forget.
Correct.
बहुत easy. Herschel Gibbs.
I think once in a generation.
Once in a generation.
My favorite player growing up, Virat Kohli's favorite player growing up. What else do you need, भाई? और भाई तुम्हें पता है जब उसने 175 मारा था, उसके एक दिन पहले वो इतना पिया था सुबह 6 बजे से, जो पृथ्वी शो अभी कर रहा है, कि सब कर रहा था, बस वो आके मारता रहा,
वो रन भी बनाता था और इंस्टा स्टोरी एक भी नहीं डालता।
पर हम डालते हैं ना ट्विटर पे।
Now Paul Sterling, Ireland.
Paul Selling, very good player. मतलब Ireland के लिए
But again, he's Ireland, so you would remember Kenny O'Brien. But I think ठीक है. Walking wickets, borderline पे.
I would want to put him in Streets Won't Forget, but given the record, I think.
But हाँ, because उन्होंने कुछ अच्छा किया तो I think we have also forgotten. So yeah. And coming to Quinton de Kock now.
I think
Streets won't forget for sure.
great ODI player.
Great ODI player. Test match.
टेस्ट से ओपन करता ही नहीं है T20 में गुड प्लेयर यार डू यू वांट टू पुट हिम इन वंस इन अ जनरेशन
I doubt it. Borderline, there can be debates about it, but for sure.
यार क्योंकि आई टेल यू 15-19 वर्ल्ड कप ही डिड नॉट डू गुड बट 23 वर्ल्ड कप ही वाज रियली गुड
And I still remember unka, like the way he batted on his India tour. Like,
yeah on his debut first 3 ODIs 3 मैच ODI सीरीज लगेंगे all 3 मैचेस सेंचुरी तो आई थिंक ठीक है बट आई वुड स्टिल से बॉडी ऑफ वर्क नीडेड समथिंग मोर अगर वो T20 में भी थोड़ा डिसेंट होता ना इफ यू कुड रिमेंबर वर्ल्ड कप में अच्छा किया था तो यू कुड हैव
तो शायद रख सकते हैं. I think Streets won't forget just for his
बट
debut.
अपर एकेलॉन ऑफ स्ट्रीट्स वोंट फॉरगेट नॉट द नीचे वाला
So Hashim Amla,
आई थिंक वंस इन
once in a generation for sure.
टेस्ट में तो नहीं करता था पर ओडीआई में अमेजिंग भाई विराट कोहली अगर वाई विराट कोहली वाज द फास्टेस्ट टू 8000 9000 10000 बिकॉज़ आशिफ अमला रिटायर्ड क्योंकि इससे पहले हर रिकॉर्ड आशिफ अमला का है भाई 3000 4000 5000
And again a player who which lockdown kids won't remember.
आई थिंक सो एंड डू नो मतलब उसको वो
Because he retired after 2019 World Cup.
या और एक साल वो आईपीएल खेला है
हाँ.
विद द वर्स्ट फ्रेंचाइज पॉसिबल और 2 सेंचुरी बनाई और पंजाब ने उसे रिटेन नहीं करा
That's a Punjabi show.
या पंजाब किसी को रिटेन नहीं करे मतलब वो गुड प्लेयर थे
Again, another player which lockdown kids won't remember, Marcus Trescothick.
वंस इन अ जनरेशन होना चाहिए था बट आई यार उसके मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज आई थिंक
Yep, I think he struggled towards the second half of his career, but initially, especially I remember 2005 Champions Trophy was that.
2005 एशियन भाई मतलब हिम एंड स्ट्राउस
Him and Sauce. Next player is also Strauss. So I think for both of them, for me, Streets won't forget.
यार इफ आई कंसीडर स्ट्राउस की कैप्टेंसी ही लेड इंग्लैंड टू एशेज इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया आफ्टर व्हाट 35 years
That win was something special. But I don't know, yeah. Purely as a batter, I'm not counting captaincy contributions.
करेक्ट यार मतलब वनडे में आल्सो ही ओपन एट अ वेरी लिमिटेड रिकॉर्ड टेस्ट में वाज डिसेंट बट
I think Streets won't forget. Purely as a batter, we're not counting his captaincy contribution.
बिकॉज़ एज अ कैप्टन ही वाज रियली गुड यार मतलब बट एज अ बैटर आई वुड से या स्वीट्स वोंट फॉरगेट कितना पोएटिक लग रहा है यार दोनों साथ में आशीष हुसैन पैप के ओपनर
यहाँ पे काफी ऑस्ट्रेलियन लोगों को ट्रॉमा याद आ जाएगा. But anyway, coming to next, Shikhar Dhawan. Shikhar bhai.
again bang average test career good but shortest
Started really well, but then it faded out, and thoda unlucky भी simply because Rohit
very
Sharma.
simple to very similar career to Gautam Gambhir I would say but Mr. ODI tournament so है वो
So Streets won't forget the contribution of Shikhar Dhawan in ICC tournaments. And because हम गौतम गंभीर को अभी once in a generation नहीं बोले, तो I think थोड़ा.
yeah true
Coming to next, another player which lockdown kids won't remember, that is Sanat Jayasuriya and Dilshan साथ में बताओ.
I think Jayasuriya goat Dilshan once in a generation I think
For sure, I think, but Jayasuriya goat simply because of the way he revolutionized.
but मतलब उसको once in a generation में भी इसलिए डाल सकते हैं because he was a very hit and miss player मतलब इंडिया की
नहीं, if you look at average भी उनका like plain 30s में average है, and he has played a lot. He has played more than 300 matches.
as a complete player with the bowling and fielding, of course, one of the goats of ODI cricket at least. But
For
test
sure.
में with the amount of matches he played, it was I think play.
So I think Dilshan and Jayasuriya both once in a generation player for Sri Lanka. And हाँ दिख रहा है वो catch up नहीं कर पा रहे हैं उनके retirement के बाद. And now coming to New Zealand, Martin Guptill for you.
I think Streets won't forget just for the 237 in World Cup 2050.
See, Martin Guptill ka, I mean, हाँ, Streets won't forget. He is not a once in a generation.
He's not a walking wicket for sure.
For sure, he's not. And I think मैं उनको once in a generation के लिए सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं consider कर रहा हूँ because of the run out against MS Dhoni. I didn't forget. So, yup, Streets won't forget.
I think, and still the worst thing he has done is sit on that Pakistani TV show, Mirza talking in Urdu, Summer TV.
And coming to Matthew Hayden, again,
I think
I think for me, he is a GOAT. He has to be a GOAT. Look at his record, yeah. More than 14,000 runs, more than 50 ka average, 3900s, like all in 21st century.
I think GOAT. मतलब
numbers don't lie, for sure good.
ODI में in bilateral series was slightly underwhelming, but 2007 World Cup, who can remember? Most runs, scoring centuries every match. And Test cricket, though we already know. मतलब what we are
Definitely, what he has done, definitely. Next is Alistair Cook.
I think
Once in a generation. I think for test matches, he can be considered a goat opener, but simply because ODIs में शायद उतना like he was
कुछ नहीं
not
किया
able to-
उसने, and he was a very good test opener, but I think he could have done a bit more in some places, मतलब जैसे New Zealand and South Africa.
But one good thing that he did was to retire from test at his peak, so that Sachin Tendulkar's record.
The bad wickets era started, so his average still remained 45 and not 35. Because for that flat pitch era between 2005 and 15, you would expect your openers to average at least 50. मतलब अभी मैं मानता हूँ 40 is a very good average for an opener because wickets are shit right now. But
Simply because of WTC, people are prioritizing bowling.
but once in a generation was a great player, admire him a lot, great captain as well.
Now we are down to our player from our neighboring country, that is Tamim Iqbal.
I think Streets was great.
Don't forget for
I don't forget 2007 World Cup
no none of
making his debut. 50 मारी थी, 191 चेस करते हुए इंडिया अगेंस्ट स्ट्रीट्स वोंट फॉरगेट.
कोई इंडियन नहीं बोलेगा. So
उसके अलावा लॉर्ड्स में 151 आइकॉनिक अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड इन अ टेस्ट मैच. He was a great opener for the time he served, and after
and I
that,
think especially he has done a lot for Bangladesh cricket. And okay, there has been
and a lot against Sheikh Hasina also, but we'll come to that later.
बहुत इंटरेस्ट. Now we are down to our last top 5 players. बहुत ही सिंपल डिबेट होने वाला है मत्स्य जनरेशन और गोट्स के बीच में. So रोहित शर्मा, वीरेंद्र सहवाग.
I think Rohit Sharma got Sehwag
Once in a generation. People might call us a lockdown kid for this opinion, but I think simply 2013 के बाद जो रोहित शर्मा ने किया है.
And the delta in average of Rohit Sharma in ODI as an opener versus every other opener ever is huge. And the number of centuries highest in 21st century.
Number of double centuries है ये.
Highest. कुछ टेस्ट में his overall average for you might seem low, but as an opener he is averaging the highest in the last 5-6 years. Better than Khwaja, better than Karunaratne, better than any opener.
So I think we can go Sehwag as one.
And people will say why Sehwag as a once in a generation and not a good, given ki 50 का almost average है test में. One day में I think he did not perform to his potential. 35.
That is the simple reason.
Very
But yeah, test matches में उन्होंने he also revolutionized the way test matches were played. Is there a goat debate out there?
Whenever the pitches were very flat, he was very good.
But हाँ, सेना कंट्रीज में रिकॉर्ड आई थिंक काफी है.
Decent था, जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में decent था क्योंकि तब जब वो गया था 2003 में very flat pitches. Australia did not have McGrath and won in the team. But उसके बाद जब गया 2007 he was okay. 2011 he failed.
नहीं, I think सेना में he clearly struggled. So just for that, I think once in a generation.
And ODI, T20 of course also internationally he did not. He played 7 and 12 का T20 World Cup, really disappointed, did not do anything. मतलब you expected more from him as a T20 player.
So I think once in a generation, Virendra Sehwag. Next is Graham Smith.
I really want to put him in GOATs, but again, वो iconic innings, important tournaments में were not there. मतलब he did a great test opener.
And simply because we are not counting his captaincy contribution.
Otherwise, one of the GOAT captains has.
For sure. So once in a generation player. We are down to our final two who have the highest runs, more than 18,000 runs as an opener in 21st century.
इनमें से एक GOAT है, इनमें से एक once in a generation है. हमें डिसाइड करना है कौन. मेरे हिसाब से क्रिस गेल GOAT.
हाँ, players पता तो है. Chris Gayle and David Warner.
Chris Gayle GOAT just for the fact the sheer amount of runs he has scored in ODI and Test is okay, but still T20 में भाई उसने
player.
I think if you think about T20 cricket, you think about Chris Gayle.
But yeah, I think David Warner simply coming from a mindset of like he has been equally effective across all formats.
But in Test, I think outside Australia he's been really poor.
But they are 4900s across formats. I mean, look at the average, look at the strike rate. I think दोनों goats होने चाहिए.
Chris Gayle, David Warner, GOAT. And that was it from our side.
Please do let us know कि
आप किसी को ऊपर नीचे लेके जाना चाहोगे.
whatever the changes you want to make in the list, put it in the comment section. And
see you in the next episode. Bye bye. See ya.
Take care.